Messieurs, dames, bien le bonjour, bien le bonsoir, nous nous retrouvons pour la suite de Dispatch. Bien évidemment, une vidéo de Gorenito n'est pas une vidéo de Gorenito. Sans le délicieux café, bien évidemment. Écoutez, sans plus attendre, reprenons. Alors, nous nous étions arrêtés au moment où, comment elle s'appelle déjà? La genre de Superwoman de cet univers était venue nous recruter afin de devenir un dispatcher. Du coup, voilà. Ok.
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us.
Il y a un texte.
Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN is not an insurance company. It is not covered yet.
Ok.
He's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man. He's like a rock star.
Ok.
I'm joking, because of the rock and the roll. Cool. Cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say that.
He seems cool, phenomenal even, and quite the salesman.
Oh, yeah. I mean, he could sell snowballs to an Is it not cool to say? Snowman. He could sell snowballs to a snow.
Le pauvre.
Anyone made a snow.
Panique pas, panique pas,
Any
panique
color
pas.
Snow doesn't have to be white. Oh God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is
Just
yeah.
okay. Let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Ah putain. Le mec tout feu tout flamme.
Oh, okay. Oh. Now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead. I thought.
Non.
It's on the inside.
Oh, c'est hard.
Different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Aurore, voilà, c'est ça son nom.
Laser, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Ah, j'aime bien le dispatch en fond.
Take your clothes off.
Huh?
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had
Okay.
incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet.
Ok.
Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's... it's sure.
Ça va, c'est bon.
Don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
Oui, sauf que t'as la vitre en fait.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was...
Oh, c'est pas grave, t'étais bourré,
a
t'étais bourré.
complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right.
Voilà.
To this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Ah,
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
All right. So just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
non plus.
Easy, knock it off. I just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's
Okay.
manager.
A washed-up dad-bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, you might think these are less than ideal circumstances, but it's something you need to get used to. When you're out in the field, even the best laid plans can fail. So, out there or in here, we do what we can. We make the best of it.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
Je l'aime bien elle.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
D'accord.
At the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Il a pas de bedaine. Putain, c'est petit pour un truc avec une telle envergure. Le pauvre, il a un tout petit
We're
bureau.
not the highest profile branch in the network, but
Ouais,
we've
c'est ce
got
que
what makes
j'allais
a
dire.
little difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN.
Ok.
Healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
3 Ds?
Dispatching,
Ok.
documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yeah,
D'accord.
we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with superhero. He's from... I wanna say-
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Logique. Il est géant cet urinoir. Ok, d'accord, je comprends mieux.
I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy.
Oh, yeah.
Call me Roy. All right. Good to meet you, bro.
Pourquoi il y a Maoi de Vaiana en fait?
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. The 2 other guys here, they go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Roy. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Roy?
Mais
I'm
non.
on steroids. But they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Roy's not natty.
Mais non, c'était une blague,
Yeah,
t'inquiète.
just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah.
Voilà.
Yeah. probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger, Mecha Man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother, it's Kapu. Need to know basis, and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Je l'aime bien, Royd. Ok, donc Invisimeuf et Royd, vraiment les deux.
Fake fuck. How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh, right. Because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit!
Yeah, you...
Voilà, donc c'est le fameux papy qui nous a fait entrer.
Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up?
C'est bon, j'ai mon top 3. Invisimeuf, Royd et Chase. C'est bon, j'ai les deux.
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say it was an accident. They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last "I love you" before I extinguish the light from his eyes.
C'est
Was
bon.
he always like
Top
this?
1.
Yes.
Top 1 Chase.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
Allez, montre-nous un peu tout le monde.
Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole
Ok, là je vais pouvoir check.
Cool. No pressure.
Ok.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Sonar.
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Ok. Donc fraude souris, j'aime bien. Donc lui, c'est un intellectuel et il est hybride. Ok. Donc 32 ans, 1m83, il peut voler. Transforme en chauve-souris géante très intelligent, accro à diverses substances illicites. Super, ça commence bien. Crime, donc détournement, chantage, possession de drogue, contrefaçon, fraude, blanchiment d'argent, parjure, si... D'où j'ai eu. Ça commence fort. Malheureusement, le mec il brûle tout.
Controls the fire and the flame and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Ok, d'accord. Ok, je comprends mieux pourquoi il était vénère contre nous. Ok, je comprends mieux. Donc lui, par contre, c'est un mêlé. Et il contrôle le feu. Très bien. Pyrokinésie, vulnérabilité au feu et pyropropulsion. D'accord. Voici en fait littéralement la torche humaine des 4 fantastiques. Ok. Né à Héra en Afghanistan. D'accord. Colérique, sans surprise. Pyromane a conçu sa propre tenue. Ok. Incendie volontaire, agression. Oh putain. Invisimeuf, du coup.
Who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious?
Ouais.
Really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
J'avoue que c'est un peu sus, mais bon. Mais oh non, c'est trop oh non. Oh le solitaire, c'est trop mignon. Ok. Donc 27 ans, 1m68, invisibilité combat rapproché. Californie peut devenir invisible quand elle le veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Et elle est asthmatique. Ah. Ok, d'accord, c'est con. Mais bon, fallait bien trouver un truc. Crime, agression, larcin, vol. Très bien. Elle,
There we
coupé.
have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very
Okay.
clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
D'accord. Donc, arme Umbra kinétique. Ok, donc il y a l'ombre, très bien. C'est un assassin. Vol Umbra kinétique, précision surhumaine. Ok. Né à. Ok, aucune info. Mystérieuse, mortelle et farouche. Nombre de victimes inconnues, comme beaucoup de choses à son sujet, d'accord. Agression armée, chantage, assassinat, enlèvement et harcèlement. Très bien.
Punch up.
Ah, le petit.
Honorable strong man who made a deal with a sorceress.
Ok.
The strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charming brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Ah, donc poids mouche, bagarreur, le plus petit des colosses. Ok, j'aime bien. Court-pif. 1 mètre. Le pauvre. Pycnokinésie, d'accord. Force et résistance surhumaine, immunité à la douleur. Bon à savoir ça. Il est irlandais, ça s'entendait à son accent. Possède la force de 10 hommes et la moitié de la taille d'un seul. Très bien. Agression, violation de liberté conditionnelle, ivresse sur voie publique et meurtre. Pourquoi pas. Ensuite,
Malevola.
Malévola.
She's
Ok.
got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
C'est sûr. 33 ans, 2 mètres 00 666, pas mal. Donc sorcière mi-démon, ok. Physiologie démoniaque, création de portail, absorption de force vitale, transfert de blessure. Oh, ça peut être fort ça. Possède une queue préhensible, marraine de sonar. Marraine de sonar. Ok, athéiste. Étonnant venant d'un démon. Fan de documentaire criminel, très bien. Agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement, meurtre. Super.
That's Golem.
Ok.
He's a construct.
A construct?
Yeah.
Ok.
Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I
Oh,
think
il sourit, il est trop mignon. 2m31, il a 20 ans. Oh, le pauvre. Corps morphologique, mimétisme terrestre, guérison régénérative, grande masse d'argile et de terre, aime la poésie et le basketball. A du mal à passer les portes. Oh, le pauvre. Complicité, trombe. Oh, le pauvre, j'en suis sûr qu'il s'est fait manipuler par les gens avec qui il bossait avant.
Prism.
Et enfin, prisme.
Motor raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does
Okay.
she dress like a pop star?
she's actually super talented.
Ok. 1m63, photokinésie, photoionisation, manipulation holographique, très bien. 1,3 million followers. Ok, snob musical, très drama queen, on est ensemble meuf. Demande constamment à retourner dans sa carte. Ok, d'accord. Agression, possession de drogue, conduite en état d'ivresse, fraude fiscale. Ok, ça marche, super. Eh ben en vrai, on a une belle bande de joyeux lurons.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix
Okay.
program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure.
D'accord, donc moi je viens d'arriver, je me tape tous les méchants en fait.
You want one? Here.
Fuck off.
Chase le goat. Chase le goat. C'est tout.
This is you.
Ok.
Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Et ok, il y a mon login juste à côté. C'est un peu con d'avoir son mot de passe mis comme ça en fait, parce que n'importe qui peut se connecter avec mes identifiants, mais bon.
Look.
Et...
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your
Okay.
headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real fucking name. can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine.
L'autre sonar, il galère.
Which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of.
Merci, Chase. Merci. Allez, on y va.
Son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Grimper à un arbre de 12 mètres pour récupérer le ballon. Sonar. Non, on va mettre coupé. Étant donné qu'elle peut voler.
Okay. Fetching a child's lost balloon is not the best application of my talents.
Okay.
Tu t'envoles.
Tell me what it is.
Ouais, j'avoue.
Off the books assassinations.
Allez, super.
That under consideration.
Besoin d'un héros pour un événement très important. Très médiatisé. Envoyer un homme qui donnera une bonne image. Ouais, donc il nous faut du charisme principalement. Hein. Mais en vrai, une bonne image, Prisme. Hein. Très médiatisé. Ouais, je dirais soit Prisme, soit Sonar. Mais le problème de Sonar, c'est s'il bégaye. S'il bégaye comme il a bégayé pour dire mon nom, ça va pas le faire. Donc on va dire Prisme. Bon, mais d'accord. Okay.
What are you guys talking about?
Les jours de repos.
Taking bets on when you'll quit.
Ah, ok, super.
Today's Friday.
Pas mal, Golem. Alors, est-ce que nous avons réussi? 72% de chance de réussite. Parfait.
Fine. That's good.
Déjà bien. Ensuite, elle a fini. On avait combien? 86. Voilà, on est pas mal, Ok. Super. Alors là, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Ah, c'est moi qui le fais? C'est moi qui dois m'en occuper là?
Let's see if I can do this. That's right.
Je peux pas aller là. Donc autant que je construise là.
Got it.
Hop là. Facile. Parfait. Ensuite.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know
Oh.
who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass.
Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
You did though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Ok, diplomatiquement.
Consider it done.
Toi. J'aurais bien envoyé aussi Golem, mais... Ah, j'ai peur de me retrouver dans la panade. Donc en vrai, on va envoyer que les deux, ça ira très bien.
Can someone Google if cauliflower ear is an STD?
Hop là. Oh, poursuivre. J'aurais bien dit Sonar ou... Ah, ou Coupé. On va attendre que Coupé revienne. Qu'elle est quand même assez rapide. Elle est quand même relativement rapide. Ouais, on va mettre Coupé. On va envoyer Coupé. Et qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ces idiots se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Des idées de nouveaux noms pour régler ça? Bah, Fightman. Et ouais, j'avoue. Devenez un duo.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Parfait. Les Fightmen. Je le savais.
Flambe, you're off route.
Qu'est-ce que... Hein? Mais je l'ai pas envoyé.
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
Golem.
That's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
Voyons qu'on...
So how could I know?
Bah, très clairement un Visimeuf et Prisme en vrai. J'aurais bien évité les capteurs. Bah elle, en vrai, ouais, j'avoue les deux. Là. Ok. Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le programme Phoenix. J'ai prouvé qu'il a tort au sujet de la Team Z. Il me faut quelqu'un avec beaucoup de charisme. Je suis à 2 doigts d'y envoyer Courpif. Sinon j'envoie Sonar. Ouais, je vais y envoyer Sonar. Je pense, j'espère, avoir fait le meilleur choix. Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe encore? Comment éviter les capteurs? J'ai raté le système, et je m'en occupe. Ah, voyons voir. Est-ce que ça va être facile? Oh, j'ai du temps. Ok, ça marche. Hop, 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 hop. Tac. Hop, 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 hop. Récupère également ça. Moi, c'est fait. On n'en parle plus. Et voilà.
Hey, it's me again, Galen.
Oh.
Blazer told me to show you the ropes, so here we are.
Merci.
Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job.
Ok, donc Prisme a pris un niveau. Ok. Maintenant, on va dans amélioration.
Rank up earns skill points.
Ah, c'est bien ça. Ouais, en vrai, je suis chaud d'améliorer. Étant donné qu'elle a déjà.
Plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Aussi, je peux réinitialiser, mais. Ah non, mais je pense que c'est juste je fais ça. Ah, c'est bien ce que je me disais. Ouais, je vais mettre un petit peu plus de charisme en vrai. Ok, c'est bon à savoir. Ici, on a fini. Alors, qu'est-ce que ça a donné? Yeah, on est bon. Qui a pris un niveau? Toi. T'es quand même pas mal en combat, mais on va profiter du fait que tu puisses voler pour te donner de la mobilité. Ensuite. Compiler et croiser les autres vols. Non. En vrai de vrai, qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Le feu est incontrôlable. Comment l'empêcher de se propager? J'avoue qu'on aurait pu envoyer Flambeau pour réparer sa connerie en vrai. On va étouffer ses flammes avec Golem. Je pense que c'est le mieux à faire. Parfait. Nickel. Ok. C'est très clairement pas avec lui. On va envoyer les deux, hein. Ok, est-ce que ça s'est bien passé? 83, ça peut le faire, hein. C'est bon, parfait.
Pretty good for our first day.
Normal.
Going on a sonar.
Oh, that,
Hein?
yeah, he kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Ah, et du coup, ça inverse ses stats.
We are working on controlling it.
Ok, donc là, maintenant, il est plus intelligent, mais c'est un monstre de combat. Et il est plus charismatique, mais il a plus... Ok, il a plus d'enjeu. Ok, ça marche. Nickel, je retiens. Mais j'ai l'impression que c'est fini. Alors c'est bon, 87. C'est bon. Qui a pris un niveau? Lui, donc tu vas prendre de la vigueur. Et on a... Et on a quelqu'un d'autre également. Et toi, en vrai... en carré. Non, on a déjà prise mon charisme, donc je vais te mettre en combat. Eh ben, en vrai, ça s'est bien passé.
Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Non, il faut faire un choix. Vas-y.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Laisser Sonar rencontrer son héros et lui pitcher des idées. Quand tu verras un héros... Ok. Ouf.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Protéger à son after, empêcher les fervents, même Sonar, d'ennuyer le PDG. Là, il y aura que Sonar qui va recevoir 200. Non, faut jamais rencontrer ces héros. Désolé Sonar, mais je préfère envoyer Golem.
Ah, I can't do it.
Désolé.
I need you in the field. Sorry.
That's like a real bummer, man.
Désolé Sonar. Bien sûr. Toi en vrai. Hein. Et là ici, je veux juste. Donc, il faudra faire preuve de discrétion. Les deux. Voilà.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days.
2 jours. Ok, ça marche.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Non, ça passe pas. Ah,
Yeah, I'm just like off my game today.
j'ai quand même eu un succès pour avoir foiré. Ah, c'est pas grave. Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Il y a beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque. Comment
Get the paintings out. Quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer. I'm gonna be insufferable about this.
Elle a pris un niveau du coup. Pas mal. Allez hop là, prends ton point en mobilité. Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Ils ont arrêté le gamin mais ils savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. Essaie de lui parler.
You know, give him a pep talk. Fuck, that's on me.
Putain, 2 erreurs. C'est pas grave, c'est pas grave, c'est pas grave. 2 petites erreurs. C'est bon. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up, aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Si tu veux.
Just so you know, I'm not going for you. I'm going because I have to. Trust me.
Ah.
Handle this a lot faster on my own.
Donc lorsqu'elle a envoyé seule, Invisible Meuf réduit le temps des trajets. Ah, c'est bon à savoir ça.
Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Ok. Oh merde.
I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
La confiture.
Jelly donut, okay? I mean, I will eat anything if you pack enough jelly in it.
So you're into squirters. You like that gush in your throat? Cool. Okay, say less, though.
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First date. Thanks for asking me that, so you
Yeah.
get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this isn't
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out if the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and
Lieutenant
work on it
Peralta.
while I get another camera up online.
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from a...
C'est horrible. Le mec a moins de 40 et il est... Oh putain, le pauvre.
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
Aussi. Hein? Comment ça?
Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ok, c'est parti. C'est bien qu'il y ait aussi des petites faces comme ça. Franchement, ça me régale.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Bah, j'avoue que c'est ça, c'est un peu, hein.
Hello?
Oui, t'inquiète, j'arrive.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Oh, oh, alors, au bas, gauche, gauche.
This node has an unknown code.
Au bas, gauche, gauche.
Find the key.
Ok, c'est bon ça. Pas mal, j'aime bien. Voyons voir ce qui se passe derrière. Ah,
B&E. Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone.
oh putain, il a entendu.
He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Bien joué.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Baisse-toi.
Shit.
Dommage.
This bitch.
Visigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help. I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster. Come on, come on, come on.
Vite, 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 vite.
Got him.
Merde, 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 merde. Là, le code, au bas. Au bas, 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 au bas. Au bas, au bas, au bas, au bas. Au bas. Gauche haut, au bas gauche haut, au bas gauche haut, au bas gauche haut, au bas gauche haut. Au bas gauche haut, au bas gauche haut. Au bas gauche haut. Nickel. Ok. Bah non, tu peux pas. Allez, gros jet. Non, non. Oh. Oh, c'est Mamie. Mamie s'est réveillée. Papy, my bad.
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you.
Merde.
Thing's gonna blow that man's arm off.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order. Oh, fuck. Fuck! Invisigal, you there? Come in, Invisigal!
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, because he left.
Ouais, il s'est barré.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
Ouais, en quelque sorte.
That was pretty good for first day.
Oui.
Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the
C'est pas
problem.
grave.
This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains.
Oh non.
Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Chase le GOAT, c'est tout. 10 réussites, 2 échecs, c'est pas grave. 10 pour 2, c'est pas mal. Ok. Nice, I guess. Qui va recevoir de la mobilité, Invisigal. Invisimeuf, faut qu'elle soit rapide. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est du maïs? Ah. D'accord. Je sais même pas ce que c'est ce qu'il a pris. J'en ai pris un autre.
Hey. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had
Le
people trying to
pauvre.
live for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Je peux pas disparaître
Just
moi.
disappear, okay? I actually have to face my problems.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is.
Super.
Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What do you need, a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Look at me.
Putain.
You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SD and it'd result in the back of his ball sack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
The fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now?
C'est son café.
I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without
Attends, mais comment elle le sait?
A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Super.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Aide des OIP. Ok, d'accord.
Your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
Je me suis cogné la tête.
I don't know. I just sort of bumped my head, I guess.
Right. When I think of someone bumping their head, it's the back of their head. Your nose, your bloody nose, is the same place as your eyes, which is on your face.
Right, yeah. I guess I bumped my face then.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure.
Mais
but
si.
I see a lot of promise in her.
I can fix her.
Even the other Z-Teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been a little more clear with her.
Ouais.
Crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
Il a pas
The only
tort.
kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Chase le goat. C'est tout, Chase le goat. Ah, qu'est-ce que...
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no.
J'arrive, il nettoie mon bureau.
I did this. It's weird, because, yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin, but then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and hit, smash the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes, see, I'm SDN's newest,
Hero?
helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Hey, I want you to know.
Je veux bien qu'ils vomissent de l'eau, mais bon.
This is not contingent on you fixing the Z-Team.
Okay.
I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Hey, look, I really appreciate you setting this up. It's exactly what I need right now, and it'll get me that much more excited to be back out there.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer. Are you ready to go? Who is this?
J'ai tellement bien fait.
We're companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes.
Je suis
Blazer
connu.
told me about you.
Really?
Monsieur.
Say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Non, je dois m'occuper de mon chien.
Gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, 3rd Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back?
Oula.
The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Ah oui, effectivement. Ah ouais! Ok! Alors, voyons voir un peu. Ok, donc ça va. Donc il y a quand même des gens qui ont choisi de pas le check. Mais il est incroyable. Ok. J'avais pas dit... Ok, d'accord. 36% des joueurs et vous préférez les donuts fourrés à la confiture. Ok. D'accord. 61% et vous n'avez pas proposé un rencard. Ah, c'est bien ça. Et on refusait le dîner avec Nomeman. Ok. Ensuite, 43 dépousseurs et vous n'avez pas laissé Sona rencontrer. Ok, 40% avait convaincu. Ok. Et comment on peut envoyer coupé. 50%, ouais. Alors non. Nous allons nous arrêter ici. Avant cela, j'aimerais juste regarder un truc. Effectivement, je peux voir les scènes. Est-ce que du coup... Ah, et je peux relancer qu'à certains moments. Ah, c'est intéressant ça. Parce que je vous avouerai que je pense qu'en off, je vais aller me voir du coup ce qui se passe si on choisit le, genre le fait de lui dire directement d'aller désarmer le papy. Si ça change cette scène-là ou non. Donc, vous savez quoi, on va pas le faire en off, on va le faire maintenant. On commence à partir... Ouais, bah oui, c'est pas grave. Ok, c'est parti. Du coup, je vais vous couper vite fait un peu tout ce passage-là et on se retrouve en fait au moment opportun du choix. À tout de suite.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his face off. It looks super unstable.
So your expert opinion is to
Attack the client. Fuck that.
I did things your way and it turned to shit. I'm taking out the guy who's been trying to kill me.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's a directive.
D'accord, donc elle désobéit quand même.
Hey, Invisigal, you okay? Hey, are you okay? Come in.
I'm fine. But this guy... I'm fine. Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp?
C'est barré.
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army and these ain't soldiers.
Okay.
Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
D'accord, donc en fait, dans tous les cas, elle désobéit. Ok. Ouais, du coup, je pense que la... Ah, je sais pas si la cinématique d'après, elle va changer, du coup. Ok, en charisme, qui est bon, toi? Continuons. Est-ce que ça change quelque chose? Je pense pas. Hein.
Hey. Ah, shit. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, You know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well.
Je pense que je vais quand même m'en manger une.
Snack. What do you need, a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hurt. I don't think when he called us, he thought he'd be ending the day winking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're
Je maintiens qu'elle est pas censée savoir que c'est moi Megaman.
a real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you.
Oof.
Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Je vais m'en manger une. En fait, j'ai l'impression que qu'importe les choix, je m'en mange une.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Ok. Regardez il y a 2 minutes. Shit. Ouais, donc c'est-à-dire que là, si je quitte, ça va pas sauvegarder mes choix là.
What happened to your nose?
Ok. Et donc là, maintenant, si je fais retour au menu, quitter, ça me... Ah, et je suis quand même obligé de... Ah, je suis quand même obligé de finir si je veux aller taper le 3. Bon. On va s'arrêter là, nous, de notre côté, parce que dans tous les cas, les autres dialogues, je ne compte pas les changer. Je voulais juste voir cela, si ça changeait honnêtement quelque chose, mais ça change pas. Mais bon, écoutez, ce n'est pas grave. Dans tous les cas, nous allons nous arrêter ici pour aujourd'hui. J'espère que cet épisode vous a plu. N'hésitez pas le petit like, le commentaire pour me dire quel est votre personnage favori jusqu'à présent. Très honnêtement, je pense que c'est Chase. Voilà, c'est le gars sûr. C'est le gars sûr. Voilà, c'est tout ce que j'ai à dire. En attendant, n'hésitez pas non plus à vous abonner. Ça me fait extrêmement plaisir et ça aide énormément à ce que la chaîne grandisse. Voilà. Je n'ai rien de plus à vous dire si ce n'est une excellente journée, une excellente soirée, une excellente après-midi. Et surtout, n'oubliez pas la chose la plus importante. Vous êtes les goats que vous pensez être. Messieurs, dames, c'était Goranito. À la prochaine. Des bisous.